What's up e-bike fans, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go through the unboxing and assembly of the LunaCycle Enduro X-2 e-bike. I placed the order of this bike in early December 2021 and it arrived just before Christmas. So Merry Christmas to me. I also purchased a ludicrous mode option for this bike. Because why the heck not? You only live once, right? And here's the obligatory message to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Much appreciated. Thanks. After unpacking all the parts, the first step is to remove the handlebar bracket completely. Install the handlebar, but don't tighten the screws too tight, because you'll probably need to readjust the position of the handlebar after you put the front wheel on. Next, remove the two spacers from the front wheel rod. Then move the wheel rod to one side so you can install the front wheel. To make the installation of the front wheel easier, I flipped the bike upside down. Don't forget to remove that red spacer. Once the wheel is in position, tighten the two spacers on both sides of the wheel. I was really surprised on how light this bike was, even with the battery installed. Pretty easy so far, you're more than halfway there. Install the pedals. The right side pedal on the right side and tighten it by turning clockwise. And yep, you guessed it, turn counterclockwise to tighten the left side pedal. Connect the display by matching the colors on the back of the display unit. It's up to you whether you want to take the plastic off the display or not. I chose to remove it. Adjust the seat height by pressing and holding the button on the right side handlebar. Make sure the position of the handlebar is comfortable for you. Your wrist shouldn't be angled too much to apply the brakes. Once you're happy with the position of the handlebars, go ahead and tighten those screws. And while you're at it, make sure the screws on the wheel are tight as well. The bike should come fully charged. If not, go ahead and charge the bike up. If the bike is already charged, all you gotta do is turn the battery on and turn on the power. And that's pretty much it. You're ready to go for a ride. Hope you enjoyed this content, and hopefully this helped you a little bit. And be sure to check out some of my other videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.